I've got to admit, I'm a pretty heavy sleeper, and I've yet to find an alarm clock that does the job. Even my cat can't wake me up. So it's time to do something about it. I decided to see what was really going on inside this pathetic alarm clock, so I removed all the screws and the case. I located the wires that went to the tiny speaker that was supposed to wake me up, and decided to take some measurements to see what I was dealing with. That 1-inch speaker is going to be replaced with a 140 decibel electric horn. Well, is one enough? I don't think so, so I'm going to double it up. This should wake me up. I dug through my power supplies and found this 12-volt AC adapter with enough amps to push these horns. And I'll be using the relay that came with the horns to wire everything up. So I got some jumpers out and started doing some testing. I soldered 2 wires to the switch that go to the existing speaker and closed it all up because it's time to wire everything now to the relay. So I began soldering in the wires for power, the 2 wires coming from the clock radio, and wires going to the horns. Heat shrink tubing was added and our relay is done. Now for the final connections to our horns, with power going to both horns and ground. And now it's time to test it out. What a shot to the ticker! I don't think I'll ever have trouble waking up again. And there's the world's loudest alarm clock.